Hello Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 16th to August the 19th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and please do hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? So, kung hindi nyo po naaabutan, pwede naman kayo matanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. So, I want you to know, Virgo, that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, let's start. Virgo, what I'm seeing in here is parang there's some disappointments. No, you're probably expecting a great event that happened. There might be something here also that sabihin natin, you feel that you are being tested spiritually, mentally, emotionally. Um, did I just say mentally? Yeah, emotionally. Yeah. So, parang sinasabi mo, ano bang nagawa kong kasalanan? Bakit meron akong ganitong mga experiences? No? Parang sinasabi mo is, um, meron akong mga manifestations, but it kind of make me feel that instead of my manifestation comes to fruition, what happened is otherwise, or the more that I parang dig into this, the more that I truly wanting to experience this, nangyayari yung kabaligtaran, no? Or, what I am seeing in here, Virgo, is parang ito ba yung kapalit, no? Siguro naniniwala tayo dun sa kasabihan na um, hindi kapag sobrang saya, no, may kapalit na agad-agad na kalungkutan. So parang you are yung parang pakiramdam mo, what's the sense, no, ng nangyayari ito kung kumbaga may bigay bawi, no? You're probably questioning yourself, no? Or whoever it is that you wanted to question. There's a lot of things. Things or sabihin nating entities, no, na hindi ko naman masabing person. Could be a person, no, na pwedeng we're pointing fingers, no. Um, why it is happening to me? What have I done to you? Now you lost the enthusiasm to truly move forward. You lost the enthusiasm to sabihin natin kumilos. Um, there is a sudden change, no, Virgo, in your mood. Eh, ang hirap pa naman kay Virgo kapag nag-switch na siya. Lahat naman kasi ng tao meron naman good and bad side. Kapag kasi nag-switch na itong si Virgo ng bad side, parang dire-diretso. Well, most of the time they can control, but I feel like this one, it kind of make me feel that parang decidido, no? Either hopefully, wala pa naman dito yung mga cards. Hopefully, hindi naman ito yung pagganti. Pero I can feel it right off the bat. Kasi parang napahirapan ka. Um, whether it is ang pagganti is you move forward, no? You separate yourself from the dynamic. You removed yourself from the box, no? Kasi parang you felt like, there is actually a loss in here. Emotional loss. I don't want to go there, but I feel like most of you matatalino yung mga nandito, you know what I mean. No? Um, again, I don't want to dig in or touch that department. Um, I don't uh, knock on the door of, loss of life. No? Um, ngayon, kung hindi nyo maintindihan ka rin sinasabi ko, most of the followers or subscribers, matatalino naman. No? Yung kasi na figure out ko, karamihan ng nagsusubscribe sa akin, matatalino, no? Um, natutuwa naman ako. Well, hindi lahat, pero nakakatuwa kasi most of you guys. Going back with the Four of Swords, Six of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, and the Judgment. So you would rather want to So parang ngayon meron talaga tayong hardships. Sorry, nabuksan ko agad ito without reading this. May hardship tayo. You would love to, I don't want to say escape, pero meron ditong something that you are either hiding, running. Um, the Two of Cups, heartbreaks with a Four of Pentacles. Pero ayaw mong sabihin. Ayaw mong i-share. You would rather keep it to yourself and probably, uy, ang ganda naman nito. You're trying to either do shadow works or soul search. No? Oo, may soul search. Sana all may pang soul search. Either, eto lang ang ayoko. Kasi, for a few numbers of you, chances are because of the idea of makagante, no? You might gonna engage into, sabihin natin, one night stand, no? But then again, there's nothing wrong with it. If that works for you, that works for you. No, wala naman tayong judgment dito. Um, but well, that again, I cannot say. Ayoko naman din magmalinis, no? We've been there, done that. With the point, well, it's not about me. It's about you guys. Oh my God, nagko-confess ako. With the Four of Swords. I don't want to justify it, pero, if that works, namumula ako. Oh my God, what works for you, what works for you. No? What works, yan. Nautal na ako. Um, Whatever rocks your boat. Woo, ang init. With the Four of Swords, Six of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Judgment. By the end of the day, let's say, whatever it is, yung sabihin nating paggante, no? You're going to make a decision of, ititigil ko rin naman. So, what I am seeing is there is partly may pagre-rebelde, pero this is my way instead of sabihin makasakit, I would rather move, remove myself and kasi dito ako magkalat, doon lang ako magkakalat, no? Or doon ko na lang siya ilabas, yung hindi makikita, no? Um, the bottom line here is there might be some rebellious things that Virgo is doing as of the moment or going to do, pero this is just a place for them to vent out and to, parang sabihin natin, release those stresses, no? So let's check the emotion. This could be your emotion or your person's emotion. I dream about you at night and I love you so much. So I think that what is happening with Virgo is some sort of, um there's actually a trauma. No, meron ditong either bangungot or talagang nananaginip kasi I still love you but I can't do anything as of the moment. So that makes sense, releasing some stress. So Virgo, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. So I'm seeing Pisces, Leo, Taurus, Cancer, Scorpio, uh Aries, Sagittarius, Taurus. Did I just mention Taurus? Yeah. Baka kapwa Virgo din ito, no? Uh, yeah, that's it. So this is your reading, Virgo. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the Zing notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating reading, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kilalang kilala niyo yung sarili niyo, Virgo. Kung hindi po kayo makakatiis or masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, ano pang ginagawa niyo, no? Punta kayo dun sa description box, nandun po yung link ng aking website. Click the link. So, I already edited that. Makikita nyo agad yung question form, ibaba nyo lang ng konti, nandun po yung QR codes. How much per question? I also created a 4 questions plus 1. So, nandun din po yung name, number for your own reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po yan. Tuloy pa rin po ang ating manhunt. So, kung gusto niyo po no, na manalo na ating free reading, kung di naman urgent, no, yung inyong gustong malaman, pwede niyo i-report mga fake accounts. Take a screenshot of your report, send it to the designated email. Para pag nagapi po natin yan, pipili po ako ng winner for the raffle. Ayan. So kung hinahanap niyo yung mga readings about exes, nilipat ko po siya sa Facebook. The account is Babaylan TV. No? So, this is your reading, Virgo, Love and Light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.